have already seen how to find out mean, median and mode. In today's video, we will see how to find out missing frequency when mean or median is given. So the first problem goes like this. The following distribution shows the daily packet allowance of children of a locality, and the mean packet allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. So they have given the daily packet allowance in rupees and the number of children 11 to 13, 7, 13 to 15, 6, etc. We need to find out this missing frequency f. So to find out arithmetic mean, I have written the class interval, frequency. First step you need to find out is class mark. Class mark is nothing but upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 11 plus 13 divided by 2. So when you do 11 plus 13, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Same way 13 plus 15 divided by 2, 28 by 2, 14. Same way you can find out the class mark for the remaining class interval. This will be 20, 22, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Next step, you need to find out Fi xi. We know the formula for arithmetic mean x bar is sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. Arithmetic mean they have already given as 18. The mean pocket allowance, that means the arithmetic mean they have given as 18. We need to find out missing frequency. For that we need to find out sigma Fi xi and sigma Fi. So for that first you need to find out Fi xi. 12 into 7, you have to multiply 7 into 12, which is equal to 84. 14 into 6, 84. Then 9 into 16, 144. Similarly, when you multiply 13 into 18, 234, and 20 into f is 20f, and 22 into 5 is 110, and the last one, 24 into 4 is 96. Now we need to total the second column and the last column. When you total this, you should add 7 plus 6 plus 9. This f you have to keep aside. So total of this is 44 plus f. And when you add the last column, you have to add 84 plus 84 plus 144 plus this you have to keep aside. You need not add 20 along with other numbers. Keep aside that. So when you add that column, you will be getting 752 plus 20f. 752 plus 20f. Now I am going to substitute this. Sigma Fi xi is 752 plus 20f. Because f is a variable, we cannot add that variable with the numbers. And sigma Fi is 44 plus f. Now next step, we are going to cross multiply this. 18 into 44 plus f equal to 752 plus 20f. So 18 into 44 is 792 plus, you have to multiply both the numbers. So 18f equal to 752 plus 20f. Now bring numbers to one side and variables to other side. So 792 minus 752 equal to 20f minus 18f. 792 minus 752 is 40. 40 equal to 20f minus 18f is 2f. So 40 is equal to 2f, or f is equal to 40 divided by 2. So the value of missing frequency is 20. So here they have given mean as 18. So you are going to substitute mean as 18, write the mean formula and substitute, and then cross multiply and find out the value of f. Now the second question is, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. So here we need, median is given, here we need to find out the missing frequency x and y. They can give you any alphabet A and B, x and y, or F1 and F2, like that. Any alphabet they can give as missing frequency. So instead of mean, here median is given and the value of the median is also given 28.5. So we need to find out the missing frequency x and y. Now we know to find out median, first step you need to find is cumulative frequency. To find out arithmetic mean, first step you need to find out is class mark. Now how will you find cumulative frequency? First frequency you will write as such 5. Second one, we cannot add 5 and x because they are unlike terms, so I will write 5 plus x. Now 20 plus 5, 25, that x you have to keep on adding, 25 plus x. Then 25 plus 15 is 40 plus x. Now next is y, so 40 plus x plus y. Then 40 plus 5 is 45 plus x plus y. So this is our cumulative frequency. Now since median they have given as 28.5, we can say that median will lie inside this class interval 20 to 30. So this is the median class. 20 to 30 is the median class, and we know the formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus CF and divided by F into H. L is the lower limit, n is the total number of frequencies, CF is the cumulative frequency above the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, and H is the class size. So here L is 20, F is also 20, cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. You should not write 5 alone, you should write 5 plus x, and H is the size of the class interval, that is 30 minus 20, 10. Now we will substitute these values. Median already they have given 28.5 is equal to 20 plus n means total number of frequencies, so n is 60, 60 by 2 minus cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. Since there are two terms, I will write 5 plus x inside the bracket, divided by f is 20 and h is size of the class interval, which is equal to 10. So 28.5 equal to 20 plus, step by step we will solve this. 60 minus 2 is 30. Then I am going to open this bracket. When you open this bracket, minus 5 minus into plus, which is equal to minus. So this is 5 minus x divided by 20 into 10. Again 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x divided by 20 into 10. We can cancel. The 0. Next step. So we have 28.5 equal to 20 plus 25 minus x by 2. Now this 20, when I take to the other side, it will become minus 20 equal to 25 minus x by 2. 8.5 equal to 25 minus x divided by 2. Now you cross multiply. 8.5 into 2 is nothing but 17. So I have 17 equal to 25 minus x. We need to find out value of x. So minus x, when I take to this side, it will become plus x. 25 minus 17, the value of x is 8. But there are two missing frequency, one is x and other is y. Now how will you find out y? For that we have to use we know the total frequency is 60. So 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. So I will substitute that 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. Just now we got the value for x as 8. So 45 plus 8 plus y equal to 60. To simplify this, y equal to 60 minus 45 plus 8. So when you subtract this, you will have the value of y as 7. So we got x as 8 and y as 7. So the missing frequencies are 8 and 7. You can check this answer, substitute the value of x and y in this table. If you substitute the value of x and y, then you should get the answer 60. So we have seen two problems. One is with mean and other is with median, and you know how to find out missing frequency now. Thank you for watching the video.